help me welcome the president of Greater Rome Bank, David Lance.
Good afternoon. Let me fire up my iPad here just in case.
I think overall consumer deposits have grown. We're very flush with deposits. So I think there is lots of cash in the system. I think folks are just being very careful about what they do with it. Mortgage rates are great. Everybody should be looking at the possibility of refinancing. There's no question about that. You have to have good credit, you have to have good equity, and you have to have a good job, good Beacon scores to make that happen. Small business loans, we've got lots of money to loan, we'd like to loan. It's all predicated now on cash flow and cash ability to service debt. In the past, it probably was more on collateral values or asset-based lending type things. Now what's happened is the business has to be able to pay back the debt. From Greater Rome's perspective, we think it's going to work out great. We think it's going to allow us to have a great presence in Northwest Georgia, in Rome, Georgia. We believe the larger banks are not nearly as committed at one time as they were to the smaller towns, the smaller communities. They probably want to be in Atlanta, Georgia. We really don't care about being in Atlanta, Georgia. We're interested in Floyd County and Rome, and I think that there's room for both. There's enough business out there that both should be successful, but it's a very different philosophy. I think we believe that it's going to lengthen out. I don't know if it's a couple of more years, but I probably sure think it probably is closer to that than less. We believe that it's beginning to, we're seeing a few small indicators that seem to think that maybe we've been at the bottom and we're beginning to work our way out. That's what I was trying to convey today in my talk. I think it's a bowl effect, and we formed one side, we're in the bottom, we're now beginning to work our way out on the other side. And I think that it could get accelerated, but it's going to predicate on how quickly job growth goes and also how quickly consumer confidence is.